Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping Sylvia. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like and comment. So I figured we do an unboxing from Dreamer Design. This one just arrived today. And it is currently Sunday, 6:51. So just before dinner, I figure I'd do the unboxing very quickly. Yeah. So in the bottom of the box, it has a picture of the beautiful painting, and it's called Rainbow Wings. Okay, so let's open this baby up. So I hope everyone has had a wonderful day with their family and friends. It's very cold here in Texas. I believe the temperature is going to be dropping in the 20s tonight, guys. Yeah, ooh, cold. Okay, so all the Dreamer Designs come in a nice canvas bag, which is pretty cool because if you are traveling, you can put them in the painting in here and protect it. So let's take this out. Okay, all the Dreamer Design canvases are super soft. It always comes with a purple ribbon. Let's get the kit out, which comes in a little tool bag. Let's see if I can get the drills out. Okay. And I'm gonna have to untie this because the sticker sheet is in there. So yeah, it always gets stuck. So you just gotta loosen this up a little bit, stick your hand in there and try to get it. Okay, there it goes. All right, this is a big one, guys. Yep, oh yeah. Okay, but it's a beautiful one. All right, so these are the drills. As you can see, it has a sticker. It says Rainbow Wings, and which is nice, just in case you separate the drills from the painting, you'll know that these drills go with that painting. Okay, so we'll put that aside for now. So it comes with the instructions. We don't need that. Oh, okay. I was gonna say it came with 2 sticker sheets, but I guess because I believe this painting has a lot of colors. It has 81 colors. Yep. That's a lot. All right, so here we have the sticker sheet. It says Rainbow Wings, and it's by Mikey Bergman. It is legally licensed artwork. This one is a square, and it comes with little decorations. You could actually use these to decorate your logbook. And then, of course, it has pre-cut stickers. And these pre-cut stickers, you could actually put them in your containers, which is pretty nice. All right, so we're going to put this aside. Very quickly, let's look at the little tool kit. All right, let's see if I can get this open. Okay, there it goes. So, ooh, I like that. This lighter tray. Okay, so we're just putting that aside. It comes with resealable bags, just in case you need them to put your drills in there. It comes with 2 pens. All right, this is a single placer, and then you also have multi-placers. Okay, I think this is a 3 or a 2. I think this is a 3, and I'm not sure if this is a 5 or a 4, probably a 5 or a 6. And then this is a straightener. Okay, so you put these on your pen, you can straighten out the drills, and these are comfort grips, so you can actually put these on the pen. Let me try one. I'll show you very quickly. There you go. And it's supposed to help with your hands. All right, it comes with 2 purple wax, and of course a cool tray. And then in the back it says Dreamer Designs, and then it has a divider just in case you want to use 2 colors at the same time. You can. All right, oh, and let's not forget the very pointy tweezers, and it says Dreamer Designs. All right, so let's put all this away. So if you're a newbie or a beginner, you have everything you need in order to start diamond painting. Okay, so let's bring out the canvas. Now this is poured glue. So I'm just gonna unroll it. So you can do this when it's poured glue, just to flatten it out a little bit, because it has been in a box traveling. So I'm just rolling it up a little bit. There you go. Okay, very quickly, since we're down here already, at the bottom here it says Paint with Passion in the middle. And then over here it says Dreamer Lifetime Warranty. Your diamond canvas kit comes with a lifetime warranty and free missing diamonds protection from Dreamer Designs. And then over here you have, of course, their logo, Dreamer Designs. Okay, so I'm just going to unroll it. And let's look at the top very quickly. On the top, it says Rainbow Wings by Mikey Bergman, artlicensing.com. It tells you how big it is. So here's the size. It's 60 by 80 centimeters, which is 23.6 inches by 31.5 inches. And then over here on the right hand side on the top, it just says where you can find them, their social channels. So it's, you have Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and so on. And then of course it's got two legends. So it's got a legend on the left hand side on the bottom, and then it's got another legend on the right hand side on the top. Okay, wait, there's a little hair there. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring this up so we can look at the legend very quickly. So it has 3 rows. The first row, it basically tells you it has 81 colors, and I believe it has got 4 ABs, which are Aurora Borealis. It's just a drill with an extra shine. And then LZ, I believe those are crystals. So they got 2 crystals, which is pretty cool. All right. And then in the middle, you have also the symbols, and the symbols are what you find in the painting, and that's where you're going to place your drills. By looking at this painting, it is absolutely beautiful. It is full of confetti. Let me just push this out because we don't need to see the glare. Confetti means that you're going to have to constantly change the drills because there's lots of colors in one area. Yeah, so it's absolutely gorgeous. This painting has like a watercolor look, which I love. So what do we see? We see this beautiful fairy, and I don't know if you can see it, but let me show you the picture very quickly because it also helps me. Let me just get it here. But her face in her arm is so clear. The rendering, it's awesome, guys. Just beautiful. It's just a beautiful face. And then she's got a crown of flowers on her head, all different colors, which is so pretty. Then she has these wings, and her wings are of different colors, so it looks like a rainbow. What else? And in the background over here, it looks like there's like water, like a small waterfall or a stream. And then her beautiful gown, let's not forget her beautiful gown. Now if you can see, I don't know if you can see this, but her gown goes all the way down, and it sort of blends, or it flows into the forest floor. Absolutely stunning. The colors, just beautiful, guys. And there's like a light. It's like a light on her, and it's making the wings like glisten, shimmer. So it's going to be beautiful. I'm probably sure that you probably have the ABs there. I'm not sure, but probably. Yeah, and the colors, just amazing. This one is a square. Let me just bring it up so you can see. I closed the door and I could hear little Bella trying to get inside. Let me see if I can let her in very quickly, guys. Let's see if she's still there. Sorry, very quickly. Come in. Okay, you're a good girl. Okay. All right, so now we're just going to put this aside. This is a very big canvas, actually, guys. And if you do, like I said, if you do like confetti, then this is the painting for you. All right, now I'm just going to take out, there's a lot of colors in here. So you have like a little bit of greens, yellow, orange, like a little bit of everything, actually. So I'm just going to take out the special drills, and I'll be right back. Okay, very quickly, I forget that the Dreamer Designs, the bags are actually in numerical order, which is awesome. So very quickly, we have, this one is 154, which is purple. You've got 158, it's a blue. 165, yellow. 167. And then you have 3 bags of 310, which is black. and 317 is a gray, 318 is a lighter gray, and 336 is a blue. Okay, I'm gonna need this a little closer so we can see the colors. All right, so just gonna put this here for now. So we saw those already. Actually, we could just put these away. All right, the next one. This is 341, light gray. 349, it's like a red orange. You have 2 bags of 413, which is a gray. 414, a lighter gray. And 415, no, I'm sorry, 414 is a lighter gray, but then you have 415, which is even a lighter gray than the other one. This was 469, it's green. 470, green. 471 and 472. These are all in the green family. Okay. This one's 498. Very little of that one. This one's like a dark red. Very pretty. This one's 524. It's a green. 550. It's a purple. 632. 718. Very little of that one. 720, orange, like a red orange. 721, a lighter orange. 728, it's like a yellow orange. 730 is a green, and 732 also in a green family. $733, wow, lots of greens. 744, yellow. 762 is like an off-white. 779, like a brown or chocolate. 780, a lighter brown. 781, 783, okay. 792, blue. 814 and 815. These are pretty. $823, you have 2 bags of 823, which is a very pretty blue. 869, it's like in the brown family. 898, brown family. 902, it's like a very dark red, purple red. 920, it's like a burnt orange. Oh, this is pretty. 926, 930, these are all in the blue family, which I love blues. And 934 and 935, yeah, this is green, in the green family. $936, green. $938, you have 2 bags of $938, brown. $939, 2 bags of $939. I believe that's a dark navy blue. $976 and $977. $3041, very light purple. $3045 and $3046. Wow, this is like a rainbow of colors, guys. $3047, another yellow. $3052 is like a green. $3053, another pretty green. This is like an orange, very pretty. $3328. $3371, you have 2 bags, looks like chocolate. $3726, $3740. Oh, this is pretty. $3747 and $3768. This is like a very pretty blue gray. Almost finished. Here you have $3768, which is like a very pretty blue. $37.99 is a gray. You have 2 bags of that one. $38.15 is a green. $38.16, green. These are all greens. $38.17, green family. This is $38.19. This is like in the yellow family, yellow green. $38.23, yellow. $38.34, purple, and $38.38, yeah, blue. Bella, what are you doing, baby? Come over here, baby. And $38.43, blue. $38.57, $38.60, and $38.61. These are the last regular drills. And now we go to the special jewels. There you are, baby. Okay, so here we have the 4 ABs. AB 208, very pretty purple. AB 741, it's like an orange. AB 996, a blue. And AB 3846, another blue. This is a lighter blue than the other one. It's beautiful. I don't know if I turn them this way, maybe you can see them better. And then these are the 2 crystals. LZ444, it's like a yellow. And LZ5200 is usually white. Okay. So I'm going to bring back the painting and we're going to figure out where these special jewels go. Okay, guys, I'm back. So this one is AB208, very little. It's purple. And the symbol is the letter capital P. Okay, so let's see. Is it on the wings? Nope. Oh, it's up here. It's on the flowers, right there. On the pretty flowers. Oops, glare. On the pretty flowers that she has on her head. Okay, so right there. Let's see if there's any down here. Nope, not on the dress. Okay, so it's going to be on the crown of flowers, right there, the purple ones. Then the next one, this one is an arrow pointing to the left. Right here. It's going to be on, looks like on the wings. It's very little of this one also. So that's going to be on the wings. I'm just checking down here. Nope. All right, the next one, this one is, I call it a little alien. It's got the little alien antennas. So let's see. Okay, this one's actually on the wings also. I told you guys that the wings were going to be very glistening. So you've got it here. You've got it over here around the wing. Over here, some here, some here. So it's basically all around the wings. And then over here, some over here, which I think that's the background or part of the wing. I'm not sure. But it's also, let me move this out of the way so we can see better. It's also down here on her dress, all over here. Beautiful. And then some over here in the background. Very pretty blue too. All right, this one is an upside down, I guess, triangle. Let's see. It's also, oh, she saw something out the window, so she's growling. I apologize for that. Okay, so the wings over here, also on the wings. Wings, no, not there. But actually this blue is also on the crown of flowers. Okay. Then you also have it down here on the wings. On her, I'm not sure if this is her dress. Let me look at the picture. Hold on, guys. It's easier for me. I'm not sure if that's the background. Actually, that is part of her dress. Wow, that's gorgeous. It's part of her dress. Beautiful. All right. Okay, then we have the 2 crystals. So this crystal is going to be the number 4. Not a lot of this one, but I'm guessing it's going to be on the wings. Let's see. Yep. Oh yeah. All this yellow that you see on her wings, all those are 4s. So that's going to be on her wings. And then you have a couple here on the flowers on her head. Wow. Okay. And then the last one is this 5200 crystal, which is letter O, capital O, or 0. Okay, again, this one's actually going to be scattered on her wings, down here on her wings, or part of her dress. And that's it, guys. Yeah. So I think it's perfect because you want to focus the shine. You want it on her wings, right? Because that's where the light is hitting. It's hitting on her wings. And then the rest is just like a muted colors. Just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. You know, guys, I love fairies. That's my weakness. Yeah. So I don't know. I was thinking of maybe doing an event, maybe for next year, with just fairies. Because I love fairies. But anyway, so yeah. I hope you love her as much as I do. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. And thank you and bye-bye.